Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create and use Notion charts in Notion, a feature that's been highly requested and is finally here. So let's jump right in. First things first is that you have to head over to notions.so this link, and you can either sign in or create a free account if you wish to. Okay, you can just tap on to get Notion free and then you can use it. Also, if you have previously used Notion account, then you can simply log into Notion. Notion works on Windows, Mac, or right in your browser, and there's also a desktop app which you can use for this demo. Okay, so once you are logged in, you will land on your Notion dashboard. So let me land into it. Let me log in first. Okay, so here you can see the dashboard. You will see your workspace right here. So let's create a new page to hold our data. I'm going to name that something. Okay, let me create a new one. Simply tap onto plus here. Also you can tap onto here to create a new page. Okay, so for example I'm gonna name it to what okay, something like that. But of course you can use any data you like sales data, task, expenses, anything. You can build your database from scratch or use a Notion template. For this demo I will use the personal finance tracker template. Okay, let's tap enter, and you can tap space and you can ask AI anything to do. So let's ask it, add me a template. So let the AI think, and here you can see all this thing. Let me discard. Okay, let me edit it. You can just tap space for AI commands, like you can draft anything, you can draft an outline if you wish to. Also let me show you again. You can make a table with it, you can make a flow chart, you can write anything you wish to. How do I add templates to it? And it will just answer you. Okay, so let's go. So here you can see this is how you can tap on to basic information, name and age, gender, female, all this. So to add templates you can right click on it, or also you can just tap on to add cover, and from there you can add images to it. Okay, so let me change cover. You can upload a cover if you wish to from your file by clicking on upload file. Okay, and simply tap onto the file you wish to upload and then tap on to open it. So here you can see. So let me show you again how to do it. Just simply tap onto, you can also add icons if you wish to, but let me delete this one. Okay, you can add comment, you can also change cover if you wish to. From here you can change the cover to anything you would like to add. Okay, let me reposition it. You can just drag the image to anywhere so that it recreate. Okay, now let's say you want to add comment to it. You can add comment if you wish to. For example, I'm gonna add Tenjiro. You can add comments easily. Okay, you can, by simply click on this 6 dot, you can just delete the text, you can duplicate it, you can turn into code or bulleted list or any other thing you wish to. You can move it, you can ask AI anything, you can copy link to blog, like is copied, like this link is copied to clipboard and all other things. At the top right corner here you can see all other options like customize page and other things, like you can import something if you wish to. So for example, you can import anything like HTML, Word and all other things. Okay, you can also add zip code right here, and you can tap onto episode template, and then from there you can add template if you wish to. So let's say you can tap on the plus icon, and then you can add image to it, videos to it if you wish to. So by simply clicking on, let me show you again. So just simply tapping onto this plus icon, you can add text, heading and all other things, and by scrolling down you can add videos, images, audio, code file, etc. You can also add this one, vertical charts, horizontal charts, all these things you can add. Just you have to scroll down and play around all with these options, and you will find one by one options. So for now let me add images to it. So let me add GIFs. Maybe GIFs are would be better. So just let me add okay, just let me add unsplash things from here. So let's add something like this and wait until it loads right here. You can add images if you wish to. You can upload file and tap onto image, then you can open it and the image will be added. Okay, so this is the same. You can also add more things from here. Scroll down and tap onto image, and then from there you can upload your image. You can also embed link with the image, like tap onto embed image, and then you can enter the link, so that whenever someone click the image you will be redirected to the link. Okay, so this is how you can use Notion.io. So and now you can tap onto share, and you can share it to anyone. You can just simply copy the link and share it. So that was it, and you can just choose if the people that you want to add from here. Okay, you just customize them or anyone with the web link. Okay, so that was it for today, and if this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.